I'm going to show you how to trim or edit videos using Canva's video editor. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva and either start a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your video. You can choose a template or set custom dimensions depending on the platform you're creating for. Next, head over to the Uploads tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click Upload Files to bring in your video from your device. Once it's uploaded, it'll appear in your media library. Drag your video from the Upload section right onto the canvas or timeline at the bottom. This is where all the editing magic will happen. Now, click on the video clip you want to trim. On the editor toolbar above, find and click the trim icon. It usually looks like scissors or a clock. You'll see a timeline with highlighted and grayed out areas. Simply drag the handles to set your desired start and end points. Once you're happy, click Done or Apply to save those changes. Want to remove a section from the middle? Move the playhead to where you want to make a cut, right-click the video, or click the three dots, and select Split. You can also just press S on your keyboard. To remove a section, just click it and hit Delete. Canva will automatically close the gap for a seamless transition. You can level up your video by adding text, transitions, overlays, music, or special effects. All of these tools are easily accessible in the left panel and top menu. If you're working with multiple scenes, you can even adjust the duration of each one using the clock icon next to the Animate button. Once your video is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then hit Download, select MP4 or your preferred format, and save it to your device. Need a faster edit? Try Canva's Auto Trim feature. Just click the trim icon and choose Auto Trim to let Canva highlight the best parts. And don't worry about mistakes, just hit Undo or use Ctrl+C/CMD+C to go back. Plus, you can trim and split multiple clips within the same project for more complex edits.